Hey guys, so I'm sharing with you my go-to recipe for thin sliced pork chops: minced garlic, garlic powder, adobo seasoning, chili, lime seasoning, and onion salt. Make sure you only do it on one side because it might come out just a little too salty. And then I squeeze 1/4 of a lime on both sides. I pat the pork chops down so that all the seasonings can just blend together. Then I'll put that in the refrigerator as I start to cook up all the sides. So here are gold potatoes, carrots, and just a corn on the cob, just sliced in pieces. I'll then add that to a skillet and cook for about 20 minutes on medium to low heat. While that's cooking, I'll prepare my jasmine rice, 1.5 cups of jasmine rice to 2.5 cups of water. Bring that to a boil and cook for about 18 minutes on low. Check on those potatoes, corn, and carrots. And then I'll go on to fry my pork chops. So I just fry my pork chops on medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. I'll then prepare my cucumber salad. I just thinly sliced cucumbers. I add some rice vinegar to the mix. I then stir my rice and begin plating. Hope you guys enjoyed my first ever food reel.